Hi everybody, this is Zooxis. I was asked to do a video on the postpartum chicken diet that Hmong women practice after they have a baby or after they give labor. This is to be practiced for 30 days. And so more and more of the younger generations are forgetting to remember the names of these chotokai. Okay, chotokai means chicken herbs for the chicken soup. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over a few that are pretty common. This is out in my garden, so welcome to my garden. So that you guys can remember the name. I'm gonna tell you the Hmong name. The English name is in my book that I'm currently selling on Amazon, or you could email me at zongxi@yahoo.com to get the actual book as well. So here we go. I'm going to go through the first plant here, okay? Here is shunji. Shunji is one of the plant that you can use in chotokai, okay? Shunji, you could see the leaves are starting to yellow because I am actually taping this in the middle or the beginning of October. Today is October 2nd of 2016. And right around October in the Midwest here, things starts to get red and yellow. Okay, and here you go. The next one here is the Galia. Galia here has a shape of a heart. The leaf is the shape of a heart, or it's round. And I noticed that there are more Hmong people using the pointy ones, which is not the original one. This is actually the original Galia, okay? Galia. The reason is at the market there are ones that are sold at Menards and other nursery or local stores. So they are mistaken for this one. But this one is the more effective one that the Hmong people has always used. The next one right next to it, this is Galia. The reason why it is, Galia, I'm getting these two mistaken. And the reason why I plant them next to each other is because their names are so similar. This one is, the one I'm holding here is Galia. The reason it's called Yan, the Ya is like an instrument. Lunyana, okay, so it's pointy. So it's Galia, and this is Galia. Okay, so that's the difference between the two of them. Going on to the next one here. This is Di. Okay, the reason why it's called Di, okay, it's green and it's pointy. Dundi as an arrow, or when you flick like an inch, it's called Di. So basically, this is what the plant looks like. Okay, and one other common one here too. I'm gonna walk you guys over here. Is okay, the reason why it's katao, it's so beautiful. I mean, look at it. It's the shape of a duck feet, and the stem is red. So katao lia. Mo itu ho katao onjo thea tu katao onjo man tu ka junjo na. Okay, so that's why it's called katao onjo. The katao onjo, it's actually Hmong people use it for medication as well too, but they don't put that in the chicken diet. They use it to cover wounds and sores. Okay, so these are very common chotokai. Okay, so these are three of them. Let's see here. I have another one back there too, but I'll talk about it some other time. That nice tall one, and that one is very beautiful as well, and it smells very nice. So that's it for today, and if there's any questions, feel welcome to email me. Hopefully that helps.